What's up, my beautiful viewers and subscribers? Wanna go on with? I hope everybody is in good health, good strength, and have a jolly time out there. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I'm back here with a message. Yeah, this is a message to Grungad, from me to she, Anyway, let me say something to the item first. Thank you very much for the like, for the share, for the subscribe, for the comment. Thank you 1,000,000%. Keep liking, keep sharing, and keep supporting the channel. Peace and love. And remember, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, man. And hold on. One more thing. You see the ads them? Yes, the ads them, my people. Watch the ads them. Yeah, man, watch the ads them, man. Show some love, show some like. Watch the ads them. Yes, watch the ads them. Ay. My people, this morning, I want to do this video. Send a message to Grungad. And the reason why I want to send a message to Grungad is when Grungad and Color Smith in them thing, me do a video. Yeah, man, me do a video. And the video when me do the video from where me see, from me, and the look where me hear. Yeah? Because me have some people on the ground. So me leave that alone. Grungad do a video and she said some words which me in my brain me I said to myself, say, that not nice. But sure, leave that alone. Fast forward, me see Grungad I build a house. Say she a build a house. Me happy for her. Yeah, man. Me happy for her and me do a video. Yeah, me do a video. Showing say, me like what she a do and thing. Because that's how me is. If you do something wrong, me go tell her say you do something wrong. If you do something right, me go tell her say you do it right. So, me not even, I think, me realize say, the house where she a build, she a build it pan Nick. Family land. To myself, me say to myself, say, that's not a good idea. Yeah, man, me I said that's not a good idea, but, me left that alone. Me never make a video about that still. So me make a video, I say, big up to the house. But, this video where you see in the background, Grungad, boy, people not hate you, Yeah, man, people not hate you. Yeah, people not hate you. People respect you. People like you. People care about you. But here what you are do. You are make people see the real you. Yeah, man, you are make people see the real you because this video where you come out and I talk about is like we, the YouTuber, and your supporters, because we watch your video. Yeah, me thumbs up your video. Yeah, me watch your video them. But we, the YouTubers, the content creators, the supporters, you don't care about we at all. You don't have no respect for we. This video show all of that. And, Grungad, you don't rate the foreigner them. And Grungad, me go say this to you. Me, I do this video because you don't know me, as you say, and me don't know you. Me support you. Yeah. This are the things that me do often. Me support you in 3 ways. And I will not say which 3 ways, but I go talk to you right now. Yeah, man, me go talk to you right now. You see some of the things that you say? You need to sit down and really think before you talk. Yeah, man, you need to sit down and think before you talk because all of the people who watch your video, where I send your cash app, where I send your goods, where I send your money, all of them are support you and your family. So you see, when people talk, one thing you cannot do in a life is stop people from talk about you. Remember, you know, you're a public figure. Yes, you're a public figure. Me, see, a guy and a lady do video for me. I never come out and do any video. I cuss them off. No. Because I not build that way. Yeah, man, I not build that way. So, what me go do, me go make you talk, and then me talk. All right, my viewers and subscribers, listen to Grungad.
Hey people, if you don't know me, I don't know who know.
My beautiful subscribers, that's how she start off the video. That's how she start off the video. She didn't start the video no other way. That's just to show you the aggressiveness. She upset. She's very upset. Make we continue listen.
I say, you just do me up and I do me so something. When you don't even busy if me want pregnant or not. And no matter how no talk, God not stress. And God not putting up on practice. We can from this whole thing go down. God not reaching hospital. Every time I go check up, me alright. Pressure alright. Everything alright for show you. So if me did I put up on practice and I put up so and I put some sitting for me also. Me that reach in hospital and admit and stuff and people then I run carry things. And me and my family them not you not see me so. Me not
Viewers and subscribers, this is an attack on the supporters and people on a whole from Grungad. This is the real Grungad. Yeah, this is the real Grungad that everybody knows. Just listen to her. You know, yes, people are talk about her. Yes, people are going to talk about her. Yes, people are talk about what she a bill pan Nick family land. Which, when people are said that about Grungad, let me talk to you right now. Yeah, let me talk to you right now. Any time you are do something where wrong, where not look good, people go say something. It is you who need to sit down and think and ask yourself, I wonder if something we go so. Think about it. It's not like people are bash you and a bash Nick. Nick show exactly who he is. You show exactly who you is. And people see things before you even see it. It happened to me too. We are human beings. But you can't come out and attack people like how you attack them. People who care about you. People who respect you. People who support you. Because little did you know, even the person who don't like you will watch your video, support you. That's why anytime, no matter what a person said to me on a video, I will never disrespect that person. I'll never rude to that person. I'll never do a video rude or disrespect to nobody. Because let me tell you something. The same hand will help you up is the same hand will help you down.
show my family them on camera. So nobody come to no see me. If never did I help me, or me that not eat, or me that alright and I worry myself. Everybody did I help me. Thank God for colors because colors help me a lot.
Okay. Now, you say it. you thank God for color. Color help you. You see it? You say you did in previous videos, you say you was who you was first. Nick said too. But now you say color help you. You thank God. Respect for that. For let people know and for say it out of your mouth so people know, say you thank God, say color help you.
Not disrespect him. Me and colors not have anything. Me have colors number right now. We no black me no black him. If he come here, I see motor road, me call to him and so me can't anywhere see him where me choose not to. Me just relax.
People, me not tell you no lie. Colors, let me say this. Colors have a different kind of heart. Yes, colors have a different kind of heart. So colors, no. Me not go stay far from you. But colors have a different kind of heart because colors is a different kind of human being. Yes, colors is a different kind of human being. And another thing, Grungard, people when I know you, no dislike you for a lot of reasons. They don't dislike you because them think, me think, you should never go and discuss colors will help you, just like what you say, to somebody else who you know don't like color. And that most of we no like. And that lot of your supporters no like. And that enough people no like it. That's what people not really like. It's not like people hate you or people not like you. Remember, me I talk to you, Grungard, right now. So make we listen.
So when you no talk because you know in a community, no phone don't even know Portland. We don't even know every first road refugee if you come to Portland now not discriminate people and I say this and I say that. The people that depend that. No tune up.
My viewers and subscribers, what is wrong with her today? Yes, man, she upset. When you come on to knowing Portland, and yes, I Portland me born and grow, Grungard. Yeah. A little bit later down the road, I'll explain a lot more to you. Yeah? I'll explain a lot more to you about where you live. But make you watch the video.
But discriminate me and I got talk some things me I go come out cause say this, that and this. No. Me just say me couldn't know say you no fit up fool in the show now go wanna run with and I go on with. Because I got a ball and nobody could have just run gun fill and so gun dig house upon the parish council do come down pan land already. Now something so me not figure out can't tell no my business and talk all where I go and everything. Because I know who no name God. I know who no blow breath in me, no God blow breath in me and I may praise and worship. Because no found a God church and no art no clean.
Uh-oh. My viewers and subscribers, Grungard now left nobody unturned. Grungard accost everybody, even the church goers. Grungard accost people who don't know Portland, people who are going to church. Grungard come for everybody. Make we listen.
That we don't know because if me got church and enough for time me see people got church and if they wear that purple frock they got church this Sunday. By the next Sunday they wear I see him church sister them in a church about so I church that have
hold on there. So Grungard, me not understand how you reach in a church. How you reach in the church, you accost all the church people them. Anyway, I saw some of them stay still. Me not back you still in a ground God, but I saw some of them stay. The world, I know the world and the people them in the world. Anyway, make we go and watch.
Frat day we come last week, him have to way back this week. And not close your worship of God.
That's
And
true,
for your
that's true.
heart to clean and for you decide say you go to church and yes, you make up your mind. You can't wait that frack you right 3 months.
Yes,
If
yes,
I
go.
alone you have.
That's true.
If
I
your
agree with
heart
that.
to clean and you know bad mind and you know grudgeful, you know what your people want put on man, you make them wear where they want wear.
No, ground God, you just say something right there, sir. If you're not bad mind and grudgeful, you know what your people want to wear. But ground God, you know if you watch your people I say, man. You know if you watch your people I say, man, mouth cut crossway, man. It can talk anything. It can say anything where I come out of it, man. You know if you talk about what people I say about you. Left it alone. Just do your thing. Ground God, you know what you may talk to. One of the best thing and the greatest thing in life is finna say nothing. Nobody can deal with when you're quiet. The most important thing in a life is you hear people talk and you not say a word. Yeah, just be quiet. Just move in silent. No, but you can't move in silent. And I ask a question. In the background, my viewers and subscribers, in the background you can hear Nick. As a matter of fact, you know, I go say this. You can hear somebody in the background attack, and I go say Nick because me never see him. But in the background, you hear somebody attack. It's like somebody a helper build that kind of energy. Yeah, man. In the background, you can hear somebody attack and the energy a build with her. So it's like somebody a pilot her, like a pusher, you know. So ground God no. I don't think ground God really do all of this pan our own. I just me a talk there, you know, and me not sure. But anyway, my people, make you listen.
So we are doing a good thing. We not happy for we. God me say and me pray and God make we reach till we reach a digging stage. No, we see still them buyer them are tie up for go level in London now.
Okay.
And none are go pass all upon negativity. Look what people they have land title. Whole heap of people they live on land and a capture land and they don't know all land come by. Then just a capture land. My grandfather can show me land title for film land we have.
Hold on. So your grandfather can show you land title. But that's a film land. That's good. But do you have a land title for that land where you are built on? Or the land title is for Nick? Whether if I feel or for Nick, we don't really care. Me hope and I pray say I feel land title or you named upon the deed or they named upon the land title or whatsoever paper you want to have. Me hope and pray say that happen. So that mean when hell break loose or when you come to nitty gritty down the road there, you're able to accumulate something. And ground God, that's what people are trying to say to you. That's what people are trying to say to you in the ground God. People now really are trying to say too much about Nick. People are trying to say to you, say, we hope, they hope you have what you have. That's if in case you and Nick gone in a disrepute, gone in a problem. You decide to go, him decide to go. That's what people are trying to say to you. Nothing more. Yeah, people are trying to say nothing more to you more than make sure you protect yourself. Protect your money. Protect your money. That's all people are say. We see happen all the time. People build pan place. Just as you say, whole heap of Jamaica now have land title and then build pan place, and then either the government or the people who own the land come and ready for their land and them have to move off, them lose everything. So that's what people are trying to say to you. So me I say, alright, me could go and watch.
No for uno no have no land title, uno grow up, uno go like say, uno they just come up so and just begin at things and just uplift. People help uno make uno reach too. And no for uno, even uno parents take uno up and to uno married and live a foreign, uno things so that is all. Look how much uno run off and they are foreign. And I'm married, uno married, forget uno stay for the up there. When I go like so, they go up there for green card, the most get file for to live up there. So on the top him rush, on the top him tear down people we are trying. On top
Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. What Grandad does say, my viewers and subscriber, what Grandad just said a while ago, Grandad disrespect me and the whole of America and the whole of US and the whole of England and the whole of Canada again. This is the second time Grandad do this thing. Grandad, my viewers and subscribers, I won't say what I did. I'm going to leave that. But Grandad, many things where you get. In the video them where you get and you show clothes for Tarzan and all of that. Where them clothes they come from, Grandad? Are the same people them where you just talk about who no have green card, from who run away, from who have to get married, from who have to this, fi come a foreign. Grandad, you disrespect me, you disrespect American supporters, you disrespect Canadian supporters, you disrespect England supporters, you disrespect the world of supporters where you have. Because what? All because people say a few things about you. All because people are trying to protect you from losing your money, from losing your thing. All people are trying to say to you is protect yourself. That's all people are trying to say to you, Protect yourself and hear what you are saying. You are cuss off we. You are cuss off them. You are cuss off your supporters them. You are cuss off your supporters them. You are talk about your supporters them, they are foreign. The last time you talk, you talk about your supporters them, but they are foreign pan welfare. You have something against people that are foreign. But yet still, when they send you, as a matter of fact, let me put it good. When we send you the things them, you know, send them back on give we. Yeah man, what you fi do? What you fi do? And this is me I be serious to you. What you fi do is whenever time you get anything and it say overseas, panny, you fi send it back. You fi mark return to sender panny. Bring it back down at the post office or bring it back to the FedEx and then place and say ship it back. Return it to the address. No, you're not going to do that because you need it. Grandad, let me tell you something. He is very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. You don't care about nobody. The only person you care about is you, yourself. You don't care about nobody, and this show say you don't care about people. Yeah, man, this show say you don't care about people. First you say, oh, people are foreign and live on welfare. You don't know nothing about people are foreign. I hear you hear that. Yeah, I hear you hear that. And even if People are live on welfare. People still are find time to send you $1. People still are find time to watch your video. People still are find time to watch all of the ads them, so that means you can get a money. And you are talking about people are foreign. Like people are foreign do you something. Notice you never say people are Jamaica. Notice that. You never say people are Jamaica. You never say people are Pakistan. Because you know which part your helper come from. And same place where your helper come from is the same place you are burned.
Tear down people at least we young and we are trying to build. Me then say me now but I get house. You know see me put that there me head and me practice upon me head and I stress.
Hold on. She say she young. So you are talking about the old people. You are talking about the old people where send your money. You know how foreign cold? The place cool and the people still are trying to send you. And you are talking about that. Then you move over to them say they not give your house. That is where you feel left alone. You know if you say nothing about that right now. You feel leave that alone. The man make his decision because of your decision. Color Smith never make his decision because of Color Smith decision. You know. Color Smith make his decision because of you. Grandad, that you may talk to right now. Color Smith making decision because of you. He never making decision because of himself. He making decision because of you, because you make your decision when you tell Nick everything and lie and all kind of deceitful and things about Color Smith and the team. You did it to yourself, not nobody else do it to you. You did it to yourself. And then now you come, you are cuss foreigner, you are cuss we with our foreign, you are cuss we with our England, you are cuss we with our Canada, you are cuss we call we whole, and now you're gone, them no give your house. Yeah, them no give your house because of you. Yeah, because of your decision make you not get the house. And Grandad, let me tell you something. Let me say something to you. Your decision make you not get the house, but you know what happened? This may sound funny. The good Lord put it that way. You never did forget that house. Yeah, man, you never did forget that house. When me say Grandad, you never did forget that house. Yeah, man, you never did forget that house. That house I never did fear, man. That house was and is I gotta do where it's supposed to be doing in the first place. Yeah. So what me really want to say to you is stop talk. Stop talk. Yes, man. Stop talk, man. Because you're not grounded. And to be honest with you, you don't have nobody around you where I tell you to stop. Yes, you don't have nobody around you where I tell you to stop. You need to sit down. Look into yourself. Look where you was. In other words, look which part you did there. Look where you is now. And ask yourself how you reach there. A lot of us in this world believe we is an island. But Grandad, let me tell you this. No man is an island. No man stands alone. We need to go to school and tell you that, don't we? Yeah, man. We need to go to school. They must tell you that. I don't know if it changed now. But when we are go to school every morning, we have to say that pledge. No man is an island. No man stands alone. Remember that. And all you have to do, remember, say, without your supporters, there won't be no ground guard. Yes, there will be ground guard, but there won't be no ground guard making the money on YouTube. So, ground guard, on the behalf of myself, I don't want to talk for nobody, you know, because I can't talk for the people them out there. But I hope I can say to them, say, I kind of talk to ground guard for all the way. You can't disrespect people so and expect people to help and support your girl. Yeah, you can't disrespect people like that. Your disrespect is at the highest level. And you can't disrespect foreigners where I work in a coal, where never did have to support you, where I support you, and you are deal with them so them not do you nothing. Anything a foreigner say out time out, or a Jamaican, or anybody in the world, that's their opinion. That's their opinion. That is their opinion. You cannot tell people where you can't say about him, where you can't do that. Tell her how. All right, hold on a little bit. Let me tell you how you can do that. Delete your YouTube channel. That's the only way you can do that. Delete the YouTube channel. And even when you delete the YouTube channel, people go still talk about when ground guard do this, when ground guard do that. Yeah, you go see it on other people's channel. People still go talk about you. Because you did something that affect a lot of people. In other words, me I go tell you out of my mouth, you shouldn't do what you do to Collar Smith. And that is the reason why people dislike you. Some people no understand you, some people no care about you, but then love you still. Kind of funny how you sound, huh? Because what? You're a lady and you're pregnant and people want to see you and your kids them grow. But you can't come upon the media and disrespect your supporters. You disrespect everybody. The church, people them. The people them when they know Portland, we want to come to Portland, you disrespect them already and they never come to Portland yet. You disrespect the one them will come, and then you disrespect the one them are foreign. You disrespect them to the bone. You tell them you're mine. Some of them no have green cards, some of them run off, some of them are them parents sent to them, some of them, for what? For what? Why you say that? What, it don't make no sense to me. Yeah, it don't make no sense to me why you put that in there. But it never make no sense to me why you put the church people in there, but in a long run, it kind of add up. You kind of make a point. But what kind of point you make when you talk about people now have green card? Green card and land title are two different something. As a matter of fact, hold on. Green card and land title is the same thing. I'm going to explain it to you real quick. If you're there foreign, any which part of foreign you want there, because foreign are foreign, you know. Once you go up on the plane, anywhere foreign. So, me not talk US, Canada, England. Foreign. If you're there at a foreign country, and you don't have documents, you don't have paper, when them catch you, what go happen to you? They must send you back to Jamaica, don't? Correct, correct. If you don't have land title, or if your name not upon the title, what do you think will happen to you after a while? You go off of the land, you not go have no house, you not go have no place, you go lose all of your money. That is it. That is it. That's the norm. That's the 100% things where people are trying to get to you. But you want to cuss off people. You want company and come cuss off people. Anyway, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, that video gone too long because it touched me because she talked to me too. Because me help her, me support her. I won't say how. But this one has touched me. But my viewers and subscribers, remember what you do. Like the video. Share the video. Comment on the video. Make we talk. Make we discuss this thing. Make we have get some understanding of what we think is wrong with Ground God. If you have any message, want to say to Ground God, you can say it in the comment down below. Or even though she a bash we and a bash people, go over her channel, go talk to her. Tell her, say, cut it out. Yeah, man. And my people, remember, check out a few YouTubers. Oliver Lifestyle JA. Check him out. Go over his page. Show him some love. His opinion and your opinion may be two different opinions. But you don't know, I just say it go. And remember, Ocean and Nova TV. Check them out. Nice family. Young family. I do them thing. Also, you have the Murphy Family TV. Check him out. Nice channel. And no forget, Rastafari, Jaliv, Jamaica Sensation. Yeah, man, check out that out there. Always a do him thing. Always a uplift him thing. So, show him some love. And you don't know, from Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, say a word. Peace. I'm out. Manners and blessings.